Are you tired of removing silent parts of your videos manually? Then in this video, I will show you a amazing AI website that cuts silences automatically for free. So let's dive into it. In my previous video, I had walked through the website called runwayml. So this website also used to cut the silence from a video. So I will show how to remove the silences in a video now. At first, go to your browser and search runwayml.com. The website link is also attached in the description, so check it out. Click Get Started. You have to sign up to use. I am already signed up. This website also has various other features like image to image generator, text to image generator, remove noise in audio, etc. But some of the features are paid to use and some others are free to use. By the way, the good news is the cut silence is free to use. Now scroll down a little bit. You see remove silence feature. Click that. Now drag and drop either video or audio from the file manager like this. For example, I take old interview of Elon Musk. At first, we see the video is without removing silences, and after we see how the video is after cutting the silences.
So when maybe you or somebody else creates an AGI system and you get to ask her one question, what would that question be?
What's outside the simulation?
Now you can't much worry about threshold and padding. Leave it as it is. Now click remove silence button. After removing, check the video.
So when maybe you or somebody else creates an AGI system and you get to ask her one question, what would that question be?
What's outside the simulation?
You see it precisely cut silence in a video. If you are not happy with results, click start over and change the threshold and padding option a little bit. After checking the video, click export button. It will automatically goes into asset column. Now go to asset column and download the video like this. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech videos. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Telegram for more updates. See you soon. Goodbye.